This program is brought to you by Globe Asiatic.
Hi, I'm Sana Lopez along with top property developer Delton Lee. This is the GA Report here on ANC. In the next 30 minutes, take the time to educate yourself on everything you need to know about investing. Which one will make big bucks? How much risk are you willing to take? These are just some of the issues we will tackle in the next half hour. But first, allow us to take you on the trading floor so you can start setting your goals.
Investing in the stock market is an intimidating thought for many. Because there's way too many numbers involved in it. But this investment instrument is not as difficult to understand and get into as others perceived it to be.
Starting off is very easy because it's just like opening a bank account where you fill up a form and then you're asked to present one or two IDs, and then the next step is to talk to your broker.
Once you have an account, you can already choose which companies to invest in from among the listed firms at the Philippine Stock Exchange. The amount you need to buy shares will depend on the type of company you want to include in your portfolio.
If the stock you want to buy is expensive, like maybe PLDT, which is around 2,500, buying 10 shares, the minimum required for that price is already how much, diba? But if you're buying, say, a mining stock, which is below 1 peso, and the minimum is, say, 1,000 or 10,000, then you can invest below 5,000.
As an investment vehicle, the stock market has its own risk and reward. On the plus side, your money can earn more compared to the interest it gets from being parked in a savings account or time deposit.
The beauty of stocks is that you can earn by way of dividends, cash and stock dividends. Now, aside from that, you can also earn from capital gains. If you say you buy a stock that is performing well, and you buy it at 1 peso per share, and because it has performed very well, it went up to 3 pesos, then you gain 2 pesos.
Before you get tempted by the seemingly unlimited gains, investors must also be aware of the downside to investing in the stock market.
Since you're buying part ownership and you're practically buying a company, part ownership of a company, a business can grow or it can fail. If it grows, good for you, you make money, but if it fails, as part owner, you can also lose money.
Armed with the basic information on the stock market, you can now begin to consider if equity investment is right for you.